this video, we cover the following topics. Liquid watercolors are highly concentrated watercolors in liquid form that offer intense fluid colors and are typically diluted to achieve a range of values. To use, dilute with water in a palette for painting. To swatch colors, test each color with varying water ratios to achieve desired vibrancy. Best practices: start with a small amount, as it's highly pigmented, and store upright to avoid leaks. Liquid watercolors are a modern and innovative format of watercolor paint, offering artists a ready-to-use, highly concentrated medium that doesn't require rehydration. Packaged in bottles or droppers, these watercolors are pre-dissolved and highly pigmented, making them ideal for quick applications and vibrant effects. Their fluid nature allows for smooth, consistent washes and easy blending, making them particularly appealing for artists who value convenience and efficiency. One of the primary benefits of liquid watercolors is their intense color saturation, which can be diluted to achieve a wide range of transparencies and tones. This makes them versatile for various techniques, from bold, expressive strokes to delicate washes. The dropper format allows precise control over the amount of paint used, facilitating easy mixing and experimentation. Additionally, liquid watercolors are perfect for non-traditional applications, such as airbrushing, calligraphy, and mixed media projects, as they can be applied directly to different surfaces or even sprayed for unique effects. While not ideal for every artist or project, particularly those emphasizing traditional glazing or archival stability, liquid watercolors are an excellent choice for those seeking vibrant, dynamic results in a user-friendly format. Their ease of use and adaptability make them a fantastic option for beginners and professionals alike. Elevate your watercolor practice with comprehensive watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. It offers clear instructions, hands-on exercises, a free product guide, and over 200 instructional videos. This book makes it easier than ever to learn, practice, and master the art of watercolor painting. To learn more, check out Comprehensive Watercolor. The links to purchase are in the description below. Take the guesswork out of choosing watercolor supplies. The Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide is your free resource for making confident choices. The guide includes paint sets, paintbrushes, palettes, and cool tools. This free guide accompanies the book Comprehensive Watercolor, an interactive guide for learning to paint with watercolor. Download your free copy of the Ultimate Watercolor Product Guide today by clicking the link located in the video description below or visiting mandikins.com. Thank you for watching. Tap the archer to subscribe and the bell to be notified when I post new content. To continue your watercolor journey, click a video from one of the playlists above.